So once again I'll briefly tell you the connections. You can see initially we'll connect ammeter in series and then voltmeter in parallel, and here you can see the wattmeters. First wattmeter R line to the mains, MNC is shorted and L goes to the load side. L goes to the load side. Similarly, wattmeter 2's MNC is shorted, B goes to the line side and L goes to the load side. And similarly, wattmeter 1 and 2's V is being interconnected, common part is given to the R, Y, and Y part goes to the line side. And finally, load here we are connecting in star connection, that is R to Y, Y to B. So this is in brief the connections. Now I will tell you the procedure. In the mains, we have to on the main initially, and we should be very cautious when you are doing 3-phase supply. Once it is on, next MCB, that is board's MCB has to be on so that the supply starts. So as soon as you give the supply, here you can see the voltmeter reading is reading because it is directly connected to the supply side. So whatever the supply you are giving, it will read. So here you can see it is connected to 600. Here you can see 220 volts or 210 volts it is coming approximately, which has to be multiplied by 2, that is the multiplying factor, which is around 400 change. And here you can see ammeter will read only when the load is being on. So here you can see the load part has to be on first. So here you have 2 switches in the load. Initially we will on the first switch, and when the first switch is on, we will note down the readings of voltmeter, ammeter, and here you can see wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2. So we have to note down all the readings, that is voltmeter, ammeter, W1, W2. And next similarly we will on the next load. First was 1 switch, now 2 switches. So once both the switches are on, the load has been increased. You can observe the number of lamps glowing has been increased. Next again we have to take down voltmeter reading, ammeter reading. Similarly W1, generally W1 and W2 will read almost same. So here you can see approximately 340 volts it is been reading. So once the readings have been taken, you shall have to switch off the loads, then off the MCB, then off the main supply. Now we will see, we will be taking down the readings here, VI, W1, W2, then we will verify root 3 VL will be equals to W1 plus W2. So next, from the star connection we will change the delta connection. So this was the star connection, now we will change this to delta. Now what we will do is, see here, star connection should be completely removed, and here you can see the delta connection goes like this, R to Y. In the load only we can directly give, Y to B. So we generally consider the upper side as supply side and the lower side as load side. So R to Y, Y to B, and B to R, and B to R. And the procedure remains same. Once the delta connection is done, on the supply, then on the MCB, then off the first switch. So in the delta connection, generally the bulb will glow more brighter, that we have seen in the star line and star and delta connection. So here you can see we have to note down voltmeter reading, ammeter reading, W1 and W2. Similarly we will be oning the second switch as well, and again note down voltmeter, ammeter, W1, W2. So in this particular experiment, the connections, once it is being done, easily you can take down the readings.